Now, I get it. It's very easy to get caught up in all of the crypto hype, especially if you're on YouTube or Twitter, God forsake, where you'll see people posting all the time about their wins and how they turned 5K into 100K and how they're getting 20x since they bought that particular coin or meme coin or whatever the rest of the bullshit is out there. I get it. And especially if you're an agency owner and you're seeing all that stuff on the timeline. And then in your day-to-day life as a business owner, you're doing manual outreach, sending thousands of emails a day, sending hundreds of DMs a day and getting no replies. Or if you've already got clients and you wake up in the morning, you dread to open Slack. And when you do open Slack, there's 100 different fires to put out, and you've got unreasonable messages from needy clients that want all of your time, energy, and attention. And it's very easy at that point in time to just go, you know what? Fuck it. I'm going to go and trade crypto instead. And I say it's easy to do that because that's pretty much what I did in 2021 in like the last big bull run, right? I was at a weird point with my business where I didn't really know what the next step was. Did I really want to scale it? I had a few bad client experiences and I did the exact same thing. And I was like, I remember I first invested into crypto and within like the first maybe day or two, the money went up and I was like, oh, I'm a trader now. And then I put more and more in and I invested around like November 2021, which was like right at the peak. So pretty much just as I invested, within a month, it had crashed and it had gone down, right? Now, apparently, I'm not very intelligent, so I needed to learn my lesson twice. So the other week or a few weeks ago, I see all the hype on Twitter. I'm like, FOMO, gonna miss out, fuck it, put some more money in. Literally, within 24 hours, everything had got down again. And maybe it'll come back up, I don't know. But I think a lot of people should stop investing in crypto and stop getting caught up in the hype, just like I did. So look, maybe like I made this video because I'm a bit salty about the fact that I've not made money with crypto, but I do believe for most people, this is true. So I've got two big issues with the crypto space right now, right? Number one is that people are investing money that they can't afford to lose. Now, I was I don't know if lucky. I was pretty smart. Even though I've lost money with crypto, I feel like I've been pretty smart with how I've invested. So, for example, back in 2017, I believe, maybe it was around August time, I'm kind of trying to remember here. In 2017, that was like one of the first big bull runs I think crypto hit. It might have even hit 10K. I can't remember, but I remember a specific point in time where my timeline was flooded with MLM guys trying to shove crypto down my neck, being like, crypto just hit 6K, crypto just hit 6K. Now, at that time, that was early, right? Like a lot earlier than some of your favorite crypto gurus ever got into. And I remember thinking, should I invest? Should I not? And I never did. And people will ask me like, oh, Sam, do you regret like not investing at that time? And I always say no, because at that point in my life, I had like less than 10 grand in my account. So what was I going to do? Go and put my last penny into crypto and just hope that it goes up when I know nothing really about the technology or what's this all about? Of course not. So I don't have any regret about not investing at that time because I didn't have any frigging money to invest. It was too much of a risk. And then in 2021, when I invested that money, I didn't invest a lot of money. I invested maybe like 10K or something like that. And okay, I've not made any money back. That money's in the negative right now. Even with this bull run, if I go and check my Coinbase or whatever it is, I'll see negative, like even with the bull run. So that money in my head's lost. But it's okay because at that time, like I could afford to lose 10K. Like I didn't 10K, even though it's, for some people it's a decent amount. Luckily at that time, I'd been running my business for a few years, had a bit of money. I didn't really care about the 10K. For me at that point, that was like annoying to lose, of course. Like I wasn't a millionaire, but like I could lose it. And same with the other week. I invested money the other day and it doesn't fucking matter that I lost the money. Like, I can survive without it. So I'm fairly smart in terms of I only invested money that I really honestly didn't really care about losing. But people don't friggin' do that. There's people out here who've got less than 20K in their bank account right now, and they're putting 50% of their freaking net worth into Bitcoin. Like, are you fucking stupid? Like, if you're that person and you got less than, like, probably even more, but let's just say less than 20K in your account, not in like a business account that is going to have expenses, in your personal account that is all yours after tax. If you don't have more than 20K, if you got less than 20K in your account, you have absolutely no business investing. It's not really investing, it's gambling. Investing money into frigging crypto. Go out there, focus on your business, and go make some fucking money, all right? You ain't gonna get rich investing 5, 10K into Bitcoin. And the worst thing is these guys invest in Bitcoin at its all-time high, and they're like chucking, all-time high, go into 100, so I'm gonna put, 20K in, go broke. Like, dude, you're still living in your fucking parents' spare bedroom. Stop investing money into crypto, okay? So that's number one. Number two, and actually another point on that. Remember, when you're investing your money, most people lose money in crypto. Like, the majority of people will lose the money that they put in. That is the game. All the 20Xs and the success stories of all those people that are on Twitter, that is 1% max of the people who are invested into crypto on Twitter. And they're the 1% success stories. It's probably a lot less than that. So don't get convinced that, everyone's making fucking money. No, they're not. Most people's losing the money, and you're probably going to be one of them if you're investing your last 10K into Bitcoin, okay? Don't do that. Point number two that I really hate about crypto is the crypto mindset. So that scenario, and I got pulled into it a few years ago, but that scenario that I talked about where you're running your agency, you're getting pissed off with your clients, your manual outreach isn't working, and you feel like you're not in momentum, and you feel like you can get in better momentum investing into crypto. It is the crypto shortcut mindset where you are trying to shortcut going through failures, going through hard work, putting in the work, delayed gratification. You're trying to skip all of that. You're trying to skip all of the hard work. You're trying to skip all of the hard parts of business, and you just want to fast forward to the reward because you feel like it's going to be easier. And that is not the play. Because, right, let's even just say, right, number one, it's not going to work, and you're going to lose your money, and you're going to have to go back to that business that you were trying to avoid, just like I did. But number two, let's just say, for example, the bets, you got lucky. The bets that you put in on crypto, they paid off. You put your last 10K in, your 20K in, fucking 100X, whatever it is, and you became rich, right? Perfect. But what type of a person are you, right? Like, you have no skill or value to bring to the world because you're just some dumb guy that got rich. You haven't earned, and I know business is a little bit about timing, and I get it, and fair play, if you get rich off crypto, go fucking nuts. But you're not going to be a valuable person. You're not going to be, I sound like a fucking Andrew Tate wannabe here. I'm not trying to be that, but like, you're not going to be a valuable man. I really don't like that term. Too many 19-year-olds trying to tell people how to be a valuable man. Anyway, you're not going to be someone of value, right? Because let's just say, for example, you make money in your crypto, then what are you going to do? You're going to go and build a business again? Probably not, because you've had a taste of the quick success, and now you can't be bothered putting in the hard work to actually build a business. So you're not going to actually have anything of value. And for the most part, you're not going to, like, if you just get rich and have all this money and like you don't actually learn how to put in hard work, how to be disciplined, that's going to affect all of the areas of your life. You're probably going to be out of shape, overweight, probably not many friends, and you're going to have all this money and be fucking lonely. And you're going to have no social skills, and you're going to have no leadership skills, right? You're going to have no business skills. So what type of life is that? The only friends you'll have are people who are trying to freeload off you because you've got loads of money. But guess what? The second you lose that money or you don't have it anymore, those friends won't be friends with you. So that's not the type of person you want to be. And it's people just trying to shortcut and find a hack to life. You see it, I'm in here in Dubai. You can see all like the guys who made money with crypto early, they're all pretty fucking weird. Like, they have no social skills, they can't talk, they don't know how to speak to women, they don't have any friends, or only friends, again, who like them for the money. Like, you don't want to be those guys, even if they have a lot of money, trust me. So what you want to do, you want to fucking go to your timeline right now, and you want to go to Twitter, or you want to go to YouTube, and you want to block all of those people on the side of Twitter. You want to block the Alex Beckers of the world. Nothing against Becker. Cool fucking guy, like him a lot. But don't let his videos or his tweets FOMO you into putting the last, 10K in your bank account into crypto. When he started investing into crypto, he was already a multimillionaire and had a load of cash flowing businesses, okay? So here's what you want to do. You want, like, what you would be better doing with that money, of that 10K, honestly, is go and fucking invest into like a fitness coach, or go and join a gym, or invest into like, if you're lacking in confidence, go and invest into a public speaking course, or go and invest into like a dating coach that's going to help you like how to cold approach women. And again, I don't want to sound like Andrew Tate where I'm like, oh, become a high value man. But like, there's some merit to what he says. Like, stop trying to get fucking rich and become someone who's worthy of being rich, and build those life and business skills. Because even if Bitcoin goes to 100K and you put 10K into Bitcoin, what? You're going to make what back? Like now, you're going to make what? Like $3,000 back? Is that right? 4, 5 grand? I don't know. Even if you double your money, okay, you've got an extra 10K. Then what? You still have to work. You still have to build a business. Like, you're not going to get rich by putting money into crypto. And if you put money into some shitty altcoin, then it's probably not going to work and you're probably going to lose your money. So like, Bitcoin's a safe bet, but if you've only got 10K to put in, an extra 10K isn't going to do anything for you. You're better off putting that into yourself, and you will get a higher ROI. So anyway, little rant, because venting my own frustrations with myself and all that I see as well from other people who are basically just wasting their money trying to shortcut life, trying to get rich quick with crypto, when it's not what they should be doing. So anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you on the next one.